The Suzuki GT550, launched in the early 2026, is a classic motorcycle that embodies the spirit of innovation and performance. Known for its distinctive design and powerful three-cylinder engine, the GT550 has garnered a loyal following among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. Engine and performance. At the heart of the GT550 is a 547 cubic centimeters two-stroke, air-cooled three-cylinder engine. This setup delivers a thrilling ride with an impressive power output, allowing the bike to accelerate smoothly while maintaining excellent mid-range torque. The unique combination of a 3-in-1 exhaust system and oil injection technology highlights Suzuki's engineering prowess, making it a standout in its class. Design and features. The Suzuki GT550 features a classic aesthetic, with its sleek lines and retro styling. Its teardrop fuel tank, comfortable seat, and signature dual headlights create an iconic look that represents the era. Additionally, the bike's lightweight frame and balanced handling make it a joy to ride, whether cruising through city streets or tackling winding country roads. Community and restoration. The GT550 has built a passionate community of collectors and restorers, with many owners taking pride in bringing these beauties back to life. A thriving market exists for parts, accessories, and restoration tips. Enthusiasts often share their experiences, fostering camaraderie and preserving the legacy of this beloved classic. Conclusion. The Suzuki GT550 remains an enduring symbol of motorcycle heritage, attracting riders who appreciate its unique blend of style, performance, and history. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of classic bikes, the GT550 offers a captivating experience that continues to inspire generations.